Assalamu alaikum, guys. Did you hear me?
Yes, miss.
How are you?
Miss, fine. Miss, how are you?
Alhamdulillah. So, what about
Good afternoon, Miss.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam. Good to hear all of you. So, how was the experience of the test that you had yesterday? How was it?
It was much
It
easier
was
than I expected.
it was a heart attack.
Why? Why is it like that?
No, the thing is, my email address is linked to two devices. One is my mom's and one is my laptop. So I thought maybe my mom would go to Google or something, and then the entire paper would be gone. And another thing is the time,
Okay.
and another is the question.
Okay.
The different format, everything was just tensing.
Okay. Different form means the question paper.
No, I mean like online and very different.
Yeah, definitely. But it's a good experience, right? Even I never had this type of thing before. Even though I didn't get a chance to see how you go through this before, but it's good. Nowadays, everybody is having this type of, and you're the seniors who could manage this whole thing. That's why Mr. Salahuddin thought to have a test like that with you. Now,
I am so
before 11 and 12 are randomly having this type of tests. So for you, it was done for the first time because I thought even he thought it like that you are the seniors who could manage, but for the junior kids will not be able to do this because they will not be able to handle the whole thing. But alhamdulillah, all of you handled it nicely. That's really appreciable.
Miss, is there any
Assalamualaikum,
remark
Miss.
or
Walaikum salam.
like later on, do we have any paper 4 and paper 6 tests?
I don't consider it now. We haven't decided anything like that. If it is decided, we'll let you know. But we are not.
So,
thinking
Miss,
anything like
are we going to get remarks for these?
remarks means you will get the result published, right? Sir said that you will be giving the result all together in your group, in your that physics group. Yes,
Okay.
inshallah, you will do. But what is your experience? Like, of course, everybody knows your mark by the time. I'll not ask you like that. Let us wait for the sir to give it away in the group. But I hope the way you did perform, whatever you did, the way you handle the whole thing, that's really good. So
I mean, if I would have opened the book maybe like a month ago, I think so I would have done better. But this is my current situation.
I know that as the exam was postponed or it was withheld, or we can say it is completely not going to happen. That's why most people are not studying at this point. Okay, even though you whatever you did, that's something. No problem about that. Okay. So now guys tell me, today onwards, what will we do in our class? We have 45 minutes class 3 days a week. So I think we finished 2019 all the papers. Even we discuss about the. I think most of you scored. Just generally, I'm asking. You don't need to tell me your scores, right? But I hope most of you got the pass mark, isn't it? Hopefully, I'm not sure. I'm just asking you generally.
Miss, what is the pass mark?
I was going to ask that one.
Yeah, I'm not sure out of 60 what could be the possible pass mark. 40% if it is, then it could be 20. If it is 40%, they consider as a pass mark, then it could be more than 20. Definitely, you'll be scoring much more than that. And I hope all the students from my girls' side joined, right? Nobody was absent. Girls?
I think so, no.
Okay, because even I saw Yakin was giving a message in that group, Miss he also wrote the paper.
Yes, Miss,
Miss, do you know the high score?
No, yeah, I don't have any idea. I'm just waiting for Mr. Salahuddin to
The official recognition.
Definitely. And it is on the group, then we can see. And the whole thing was done by him, so I have no idea about it. But I'm so happy that all of you wrote it, and alhamdulillah, you're doing good. So now you tell me, guys. So today, before going to any other topic, now you tell me what is your present mental status? Means what are you thinking about yourself, future, and everything. Those who are present, I want to hear from all of you. Definitely, right now you know that we are not going to have any IGCS exam, and this predicted evaluation, and everything is done. So I hope this is the high time for you to consider your future and make some decisions. What do you think, guys? Am I right?
Miss, I couldn't hear you. It's some kind of internet disturbance, I guess. Could you please repeat?
Yes, I was asking you that as you know that we'll not be having any IGCS exam and it is decided as well as the predicted result is also done by the school and all. And you know that you'll be going for A-level now. The next is that you'll be going to the A-level. Of course, after getting the IGCSE, if you're not satisfied with any result, you can always repeat. That's a different issue. But now you can consider yourself as an A-level student. So
I don't want to do
Miss
that
already an
yet.
A-level
I'm not prepared for that actually.
no, but even though you are now at this stage, because
It
after
feels
the,
weird like A-level soon. I don't want to grow up that soon. Let's wait for the
yeah, you have to wait
Wait,
for
do we
that.
consider ourselves A-level students already?
Why not? You are.
I don't
What's
want to.
the
I don't
law?
want to. It's really torturing sometimes. Oh my god.
No,
I am
that
not
is,
mature enough.
listen, yeah, within few months you'll be more than mature. Don't worry about it. Because the
I
time will
think so.
teach
My
you
mom said was
everything.
right. I'm never going to be mature.
No, inshallah it will be. Because time will actually teach you everything. You don't need to learn anything. Time will teach you. So you are bound
So,
to
Miss,
learn
is it
everything.
like we will kind of? Is it like we're going to try almost like maybe get touch with some A-level things?
You can
like
do that.
maybe
You can
just
collect
check.
the books. At least you can ask your family friends if someone is in 11 and 12. You can take the book, have a look, and decide your mind about the particular subject you're going to continue in your 11th.
Miss,
That is
about
really
the
important.
subjects.
Hmm.
Miss,
Okay.
what is like the minimum and maximum for A-levels?
Means minimum and maximum means I didn't understand. To go
Like for IGs, we have minimum 5 or 4 subjects.
okay, yeah,
right?
yeah, I'll tell you. In A-level, minimum is 3. If you want to take it, you take more. But some students from the science stream actually goes for 4. If you want, you can go with 3. Means if you have decided you want to go to the medical stream. So definitely you have to go with physics, chemistry, and biology. And now think about some of the students, they're thinking, okay, I'm not going to study medicine, but I'll be studying engineering or any other subject. You want to continue science in your A-level, then it can be physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And those who want to keep both the doors open, you can go with physics, chemistry, biology, math. So whatever it is there for you, you can carry on. Yes, dear.
Miss, do we have computer in A-levels?
It is. We have IT, the one they call. Of course, it is there. If you want, you can study that as well. As a science
No,
student, you can
our
always
school
study.
is providing it.
Of course, we do have students all the
No one
time.
takes it.
Who said? Maybe it's not
Very
true.
few students take it.
Very few. It depends actually. Who wants to be comfortable with it? It's up to them because we are offering. Like English, that day someone was asking us, but we know that we are not offering English. But we do offer computer. That becomes IT. So whoever wants, they can just study in that particular subject. No problem. Okay. So that's why I was telling you. Now you think about, first of all, you talk with you. Means you have to discuss with you that, okay, which subject I'm comfortable with and am I ready to go for that hard work that I did in IGCSE. And you remember whatever hard work you has gone through this IGCSE method, it has to be 4 times more than that in the A-level. And you know that the timing is really short. See, if hopefully our school will be starting September 1st. That will be our next session. And definitely you will be stepping into grade level. September, October, November, December, January, 1st to 2nd week, you will be having your all the unit 1 of the subject that will be put right. So you can understand.
Miss, how is the examination for the A-levels? Like
Okay.
how many papers are
I'll tell you, as we are discussing like that. You remember the subject you'll be taking, almost all the subjects do have this procedure, especially I'll tell you about physics, chemistry, biology. They have 3 units in grade 11, the one we call AS, and then another 3 units in A2, that is grade 12. So AS is also a separate result. With the AS, some people can also get admission to the university. And AS and A2 together, they will give you the A-level result that some of the universities do ask for the A-level result. Means you have to complete.
So, Miss, we are not going to get the result after 11.
Of course, you'll be getting. If you are not studying anymore, you think about a student is not going to study A2. With the AS result, he can go to the university which are taking this AS result and giving admission to them.
Miss, I don't want to grow up.
Sorry, dear, you can't hold on. There's no break. You have to keep on going. Okay.
Get up out of your fantasy land and go.
Yes. Okay. So
Or,
in
or you can kill yourself and then you won't grow up.
Alia, during
Hi
the
for all that.
Ramadan time,
Yes.
you shouldn't say bad things. This is really bad. You cannot say like
Okay,
that.
okay. Miss, I
I'm
was
sorry,
just
I
giving
can't
an
choose side.
option.
It's haram
No
in
option.
Islam, and that option is really disgusting.
Okay, no discussion about it. Let's come to the point. The thing I was telling
So
you
Miss
that
Physics,
yes, let me finish. Adina, listen to me. In grade 11, physics, chemistry, biology, you will be writing three units. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. Let me tell you, Unit 1 and 2. Unit 1 will be writing in January. Unit 2 and 3 in May, June. In June, actually, if the exam starts at June. So, Unit 1 is a question. Unit 2 is a question. They are similar. They'll be having, we don't have any separate
Miss,
multiple choice
is
question.
physics like even in grade 11, like according to the units, is divided into general physics, thermal physics, like
Yes,
that?
definitely.
So
Different
unit 1 will
topics
be
are
general
there.
physics.
No. It will be, I'll tell you, general physics along with that some other topics are there. I'll give you the names later. First to understand.
Miss,
Yes, yeah.
Miss. So 3 units for one each subject for
Exactly.
physics, biology, and chemistry. So
Exactly.
Miss, like Miss, in IGs we have paper 2, paper 4, paper 6. Do we
Mhm.
have those things in
No,
A
no,
levels too?
no. We don't have unit 1 and unit 2. This will be two different subjects. These subjects means topics. Like think about unit 1 is general physics, unit 2 will be thermal physics and some other nuclear physics and some other thing together. And the question paper, they will say it will be like this paper 2 and paper 4 together. Means in IGCSE, you have multiple choice in paper 2.
So it's a
It,
mix.
it's a mixed question. So 2 and 4, the pattern type of question will be mixed together in unit 1 and unit 2. Unit 3 is completely paper 6.
Them is for maths, English, computer.
They have different methods of doing.
They
Okay,
also
different
have
papers.
3 units.
No. They don't have, they have different papers. Like math, some students do go for,
So, Miss, it means that like in ASL exams, do we have like separate paper 2, paper 4, paper 6? Do we have that?
no, I told you.
So
Unit
it's like
2, it's a mixed question.
It's a
Together.
mix.
It's a mix.
okay.
Multiple choice and the question that you have like a paper 4 question you have a definition, then explanation, calculation. Like this, the questions will be together in unit 1 and unit 2. Like that, unit 4 and unit 5. Unit 3 and 6 will be the alternative to the practical paper. There you have to write down this practical question. Okay, so that is a completely different one.
Because all the seniors say that A levels are way too hard, and that really depresses me sometimes, and that's why I don't want to grow up. 'Cause that means
No, I mean
promoting
there
to
is
grade 11 and facing the same thing which they faced.
no. I mean there is a good thing is that you have formulas with you. You don't have to memorize formulas anymore. There is a formula sheet.
Yeah, they give it like that, but at the same time, you should remember, you are going to the higher grades. So definitely the work you have to study here, the time will be short as well as you have to study a lot. Means from the day one, you have to be very serious and keep on studying. Now you tell me one thing, if it is that hard, then how come there's some of the students from our school even the girls, got full marking physics, chemistry, biology like that? Then are they something different? I don't think so. They're just like you and me and any other student in the school. So how come they're getting good marks? And even as a homeroom teacher, I do get a chance to see their results in the A levels as well as AS or A2. I do get a chance to see their results. Sometimes it is really heartbreaking that the way they perform. I feel like they never even touched the book and went to the exam hall. I feel like that because a student might not be getting A star, might not be getting A, but a student who is preparing herself or himself for the exam should have a certain level. Means a student should get a C or D minimum. I feel like that. If the paper is too hard also, then a student should get D. He or she cannot get a U or cannot get a mark which is not even graded. So my point is that if you study, nothing is impossible in this world, actually.
Well, the thing is, they have this mindset because our seniors, they usually, that what I have noticed, like whoever are in 12s, they used to say grade, like who are in grade 11s for now, they used to say that this is hard. And so they get this mindset of that the studies are very hard in 11s. And so they make themselves or get distracted very easily. And then they no more focus on studies.
I
They just
think
study
so.
somehow.
I think so.
because that's the most obvious thing. Because now the 11s are doing the same thing. Like I have a lot of friends over there, so they always say that it's very hard. It's like that. So that's the thing. Like it depresses you, and you feel like always being distracted from what you're doing.
And the
Point is
miss,
that-
one more thing is, like
Yes,
if we, for 11th grade, what we are learning, in 12 also we are going to continue the same thing, like how we did in 9 and 10.
No. Yeah, 11, whatever you are studying, whatever topic you
And
read,
then they said that the time, like the way we
over.
have time, like in 8, 9, 10, like 3 years for IGs, we
Yeah,
don't
that
have
can
that
be
time
also
for
considered.
A-levels. We
Yes,
have
you are-
we have a very less time, and you have to prepare yourself every day. You have to study every day.
Exactly. That is the point. Most of the students find it difficult because they get a lot of time to prepare themselves. They were playing, they were not studying. Only before the exam, 2 months or 3 months, they studied and they can go do a good result in the IGCSE. But it is
That
not
sounds like
possible
something I'm
here.
going to do.
Okay, it is not possible in A-level. You have to study from day one, and then only you can expect a good result from the future. And definitely, you know that when you go to the university for your scholarship and others, they do consider the A-level result. Definitely. Of course, they will check
The
your
problem I
IGCSE.
think which would arise from is remembering, like remembering everything
Then,
you study every
then you
day.
can do one thing. Why don't you practice something? That whatever you are learning, keep on writing at the same time. Means you are think about you are orally saying one definition. Why don't you keep on writing at the same time? Then you'll be able to remember it. This is the best way of remembering anything that
I
you
remember you saying that writing gives
A
you
lot.
40% learning.
Exactly. A lot you have to keep on writing. And as I say, that there is no time to waste in 11 and 12. You have to be serious on the day one. And you have to remember that these 2 years or these exam times, I will not think about anything else in the world. I have to only study and keep up my grades. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. So you can also, because all the time you are practicing.
I'll try my best to take that advice, inshallah.
Inshallah, why not? Okay.
I think so by the time of my graduation, I'm going to turn bald.
It will not happen like that, Adina. Of course.
You'll be bald, but I'll be
I'm
hairy.
going nuts now.
No, dear, it's not like that. Just think positive and always take it like it's not that you have to study the whole syllabus on the first day. It's not that. According to the time, or one topic at a time, one topic in a day. Like that.
Miss, I think you're forgetting it's not physics we're giving at A levels. We have other subjects too, so it's kind of difficult to study all the subjects.
You'll be giving 3 subjects, right? If you take physics, chemistry, math, or physics, chemistry, biology.
What about person like me who's planning for 4?
No problem. Then also you are okay. If you are taking math along with it, math will be keep on practicing. There's nothing to learn. So 3 subjects and this one. So you'll be writing 4 papers in January. So 3 months for 4 paper, I think it is not that difficult. Until or unless you are serious about for yourself. If you think okay like that, if you just thinking that okay, I'll just study 1 month before the exam, then it will be really difficult.
But for now, I'm kind of decided with the subject, but I'm also thinking that I'll start doing the class and then I'll see which subject I'm doing like more, I'm more improved and I'm better at which subject, and then I'll go
I
further.
can give you, guys, you can do what as I told you. If you have someone known to you, you can just bring the books, and on the net you can check the syllabus as well. In the edison, you just go and check all the syllabus, and then you can decide your mind.
Miss, I already said I'm still not prepared to consider myself as A levels because
No, I think this month onwards means today onwards.
Because the feeling I'm having right now, it's not A level student. I feel like it's the last freedom I have, and then I have to indulge myself completely into study. So it's the time I can free myself. I can breathe.
No, that is okay. But the moment you remember, the moment September 1, you step into A level, there will be no way out of this one. Once you get inside it, you have to do your best, or you have to give your 100% effort to come out with a good result. And so many students are doing like that. If you just have, okay, my suggestion is that as I told you, why don't you just collect the books, go through it, have a look, and decide your mind. Because after September, if you want, or if you're thinking that, okay, I'll have some plans and decide, then I think it will be too late. As you got this time, you're not supposed to get. Right now, you are supposed to be busy in your IGCSE exam, right? You got time to think about it. Yes, think about it and decide. And whatever you're comfortable with, it's not that whatever your parents are asking you to do, you'll be doing it. Say clearly to your parents, okay, I'm not very good at this particular subject, but I want to continue with these other subjects. So make it clear.
There are some expectations that you can't break. Like,
Miss.
Yes, dear.
Miss, we are not having any class
amplitude,
today, right?
low, large frequency.
No, we can have class. I'm just discussing with you regarding all this that you're going to do. Now you tell me what
Oh,
are
Miss,
we
please discuss. I mean, like for
for
the whole
what?
time, Miss. Can we skip studying today?
Alia is
Can we
always
skip
like that.
studying today?
Alia is always like that. I know that. She always loves to talk rather than
Me?
studies. Yes, Alia, I know that. Okay, fine. Now
Miss,
listen.
I was sitting silently for almost 30 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. So that is really appreciable. Once in lifetime you behave like this, right? Okay, fine. Now listen, guys. So now you tell me what is our plan for the next 2 weeks. We have 2 more weeks to have class. Even tomorrow I have class with you.
Two
What we
more
can do?
weeks.
Yeah, weekly I have 3 class with you, dear.
Yes.
Yes.
I can't wake up in this time.
What are you saying? Even if you sleep at 4:30 or 5 o'clock, that's more than enough. And as
No,
no, as you have class, why don't you just lie down for a while after the therapy and all? So that can help you.
I need nap. There is a lot of washing to do.
Yeah, I know that even I do the same here. Immediately after the iftar, I go for washing, cleaning, and then I will lie for a while. Then the therapy is there. After that, of course, I don't take dinner. Then straight I'll go for study. Okay, fine, guys. Now, the rest of you girls, do you have any opinion what to do tomorrow and day after tomorrow? Both the classes I have with you. No, tomorrow I have, and then the
Miss,
next 2 weeks. Say.
Can
Yes,
we discuss about the test paper which we gave?
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yes, can we do that? Because
Yeah,
I
we
have
can do that.
already sent you those
Because
questions.
there are some questions.
Do
There
you
was a
have? Can you?
cathode ray question.
Yeah.
Miss,
Is it?
one question, only one question.
Okay,
For
okay.
now, only one question. Like
Okay,
tomorrow we
okay.
can discuss all of them, but I had this one question. Like
Okay.
they have took away mark for, okay. So helium has 4 neutrons
Okay.
and we have 2 protons, like 4 nucleons. Or nucleon number is 4.
Okay. Okay.
So we have proton number 2. So now the question asks, what is the proton number, electron number, and neutron number? So I answered like all of them 2 because
Anika,
Yes.
I did the same thing. The thing was they asked what is the, I forgot the question, but it said something inside the nucleus.
Inside the nucleus, I did the same mistake. It's inside the nucleus,
Inside the
so it's going to be
nucleus,
zero
zero
electrons.
The electrons
Zero
don't
to
count.
two.
So the electrons are
Definitely.
supposed to be
The
zero.
same mistake.
It's you didn't read the question carefully. Inside the nucleus will not have any electron here. It will be only two. Proton 2
No,
and
yes, no.
neutron
What
two.
my mindset was, they were asking about protons, neutrons, and electrons, and I was even thinking of running out of time and all. But then after finishing the paper, I saw that I finished before 20 minutes. And I was
Then
like,
you could have gone for a revision.
I didn't do that because I wanted to submit early. I was scared.
Okay, fine. Okay.
It was a scary test.
I know,
Adina,
right? Thank you.
What did you say, Adina, that you had a category question? Are you
Yes.
sure? Category question
What?
was there? But
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not in a, it was actually CRO, category oscilloscope. That is our, previous syllabus it was like. At this moment,
There
it
was
is
a
not.
question about asking what it emits or something.
Oh, it's electrons here. It is not in your syllabus, that is true.
I don't know whether I did that right or wrong. Now I forgot it.
The answer will
Which
be
was, what
electrons.
was the question, Ajina?
Remember there was a cathode ray question? It
Oh,
was
cathode ray
like,
tube. Cathode ray tube.
Yeah.
Well, there's that answer is supposed to be atoms, I guess.
No, it's
But
electrons.
I wrote ions.
Electrons.
Electrons, yeah,
Atoms.
it is electrons.
Electrons. Oh, I never knew that. I marked ions, and it went wrong.
Yeah, obviously, because it is a cathode ray oscilloscope, we had in our previous syllabus. At this moment, we don't have it.
So I'll remember it next time. Electrons.
It will not be there anymore.
Hopefully.
Of course, in A level also we don't have CRO.
Oh my God. So where should we go? Complain
No,
Mr.
that-
Salah, give us that
no,
square
that-
mark.
No, the funny thing is that, the students who completed A level from our school and went to the engineering, the first topic they get is CRO to study. So they messaged me, they mailed me, that means we missed it in the IGCC, we didn't have it in the A level, and the first test they're going to have is from CRO. It's really kind of fun. I said, okay, fine, now you study yourself and get ready for that. Because it was in the IGCC syllabus before. It's not really. Okay, fine. So any other question that you found difficult? I know that.
Well, there
Anika-
were many, like it was after hearing
Yeah,
of two
you
sets,
gave me,
so
I didn't take it.
11 of
So,
questions.
You
It's just
take
11.
11 questions you need to stay. Okay.
No, 11 questions remaining. You need to tell me.
Okay, no, I'm asking you, do you have those questions all with you? Yeah, could you share to me
I'm
tomorrow?
not sure. I'm not sure. Like I'll like share the screen and show you all the questions.
Okay, the one you made mistake.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, so those we can discuss. Okay,
Okay.
among them, okay, Orpa and Zareen, and then, okay, I don't want to ask you the ones, but who got the least mistake among you girls?
What, miss?
Who got the least mistake in that paper?
That I have no idea.
Miss, I think Rahma made the least mistake. Like so far from all the people that I know, she got the highest mark.
Okay, Rahma, what was that? The mark that you received? Would you mind telling me?
Miss what?
Rama, what is your score, dear? Yesterday they are saying that you got the least mistake, so I just want to know your mark.
Oh,
If you don't mind.
I got 57.
Okay, so that's a very good mark.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a very good mark. Okay, so Rama, tell me, which are the questions that you made mistake? I hope you remember, as it is only 3.
I did very silly mistakes.
Okay.
Like very silly. I did the
You-
one wrong in with that solid liquid gas, like stationary and then moving that thing.
Okay.
There was yes, and
What was that question? The one you said right now, stationary moving. Is it about the
I think the answer
structure
was
of the
moving,
molecule?
right?
Is it about the structure of the molecule?
No, it's like about their movement. Like, are all of them are moving or all of them are like stationary? Like, which one of
Okay.
them are stationary or moving?
Okay.
So it's all of them moving.
Yeah. If it is like that, then all of them are moving. Even though the solid is vibrating, if you don't have any other option, then you can go with the moving parts. Okay. Then, yes, Rama.
and then there was another one with the increasing wavelength. Like they gave the diagram about radio waves, microwaves, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
I did that wrong.
Okay. And then,
Like radio waves and then light waves, infrared waves,
Miss?
like increasing.
Miss?
Which one is correct? Something like that.
Miss, I'm sorry to interrupt. You know, like during the test, something weird happened. Actually, I knew the answer of one question, and then I was not able to click on that answer. Like the answer was D, I wasn't able to click on D.
okay.
So because of what, I had to lose mark.
Then you need to be careful next time. Okay. Rama, what was the third one that you made mistake?
Uh,
Do you
I don't
remember?
remember.
Okay, fine. It's okay then. You did really good. 57 is a very good mark, in fact. Okay. So, Alhamdulillah, but I am so happy that all of you completed the paper within time, as well as you could submit and you could easily adapt the whole system yourself. That's really good. Okay. So now, girls, today also I have more than 15 minutes for my class today. So, is there any particular topic you want me to discuss with you, which might be related to the questions that you had yesterday? Anything? You can pick up any topic and decide what are we going to do. Okay, Nureen, do you remember that you discussed that you wanted to do some paper 4 questions with me? Let me see.
Yes,
Sanjita completed the paper in 20 minutes. My goodness. Why you have to do it so fast, dear? It was a 60-minute paper, isn't it? Okay, I hope you got
No, I also completed the paper like within 30 minutes, but then I checked for a long time.
Okay, that is good. Sometimes you can find out your mistakes when you're doing it in a hurry. Okay, fine. Oh, yeah, that's true. Because it was for the first time you were writing the paper, that's why. It's okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, so Nureen, I was asking you that you wanted to do some general physics question with me. So which year do you prefer to start with? So tomorrow we can do that? Nureen, what do you
No,
say?
miss, it's just no. I asked random,
Mhm.
as in teachers usually have some selected questions, the hard ones.
Mhm. Okay.
So you list some questions like
Okay,
so
do
I
one
wanted to
thing.
do some questions.
Okay, fine. So, could you just start from, like, let's do one thing, 2011 onwards. The paper 4 of general physics question, we'll keep on checking. The one we find difficult, you'll do it. What do you say, girls, the rest of you? As we
Okay,
don't
miss, we
have,
can do that because that's definitely something I wanted to do way before.
okay, fine, we can do
What?
that. And this means 2011 onwards, general physics question, randomly we'll check the one which are kind of difficult, we'll try to do that. Tomorrow onwards.
So we're going to do
Miss,
it
did you say grade
tomorrow?
11?
No, dear. Yeah, 2011. 20.
Eh?
Miss, did you say grade 11?
We said
2011.
2011.
2011 onwards. Last 10 years, we can check.
Oh, 2011. Ugh, okay, fine. I heard something else anyway.
Because please don't give a heart attack.
Listen, dear, you
Oh, even I got a heart attack.
listen, Anita, even if you don't want to admit right now, but you are in grade 11. Officially, it will be within 2
Miss,
months.
I'll let you
Inshallah.
know that after, like a month later. Okay.
Inshallah, don't worry. But as I told you, you just get ready for that and just check with your friends. As you said, you have some friends from grade 11, so you can just look at the books, and that might help you to decide your mind. You can do that.
Inshallah, Miss, inshallah.
Okay. Now, Orfa and Zareen, did you decide your mind about the subjects that you will be taking in 11?
I think I'm leaning towards the three science subjects: biochemistry, physics, and math too. I think, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Okay, fine, no problem.
That-
You are
I'm
all
not
I
sure
also
about
think
computers though. I'm not sure about computers. So
No,
I'll see what
computer,
my
no.
friends think
Okay,
about
but-
it, and then
Yes, but I'll tell you one more thing, guys. As a science student, if you have physics, chemistry, and math, the one we call engineering group, if you have these three subjects, after A level also, if you want to study computer, you can do that. Nobody will stop you because as a
What
science
about
student,
English?
any subject here. Think about Adina, after completing your A levels, you thought I'll not study science anymore, I want to study something else. You are allowed to go anywhere you can learn, whether it's a literature, whether it's a commerce subject,
Miss,
even
I had one question.
our subject, you can go. They will not stop you
Yes.
as a science student. Like you think that you want to go for business studies now, the one they call BBA and MBA, that thing, Bachelor of Business Administration, you are allowed to study that subject as well. So nobody will stop you as a science student to go anywhere. So don't worry about that, that you have to have business or you have to have computer in your A level. No. If you have science subjects, this physics, chemistry, and mathematics, you are allowed to go anywhere you want. Or think about this thought that, okay, I'll be studying an honors degree in physics, a pure physics, or a chemistry. They will allow you to go there. So all the doors are open for you if you study like that. Yes. Any other question, guys?
Miss, like grade 11s, all the exams, are we going to finish it by October, November?
They have two sessions, as I said, and October, November, another session they have that is called for improving the grades. They have another session. Before it was only two sessions. Now they have another one, October, November. Like we'll be having January session, then June session. Now they have another one, October, November.
Because actually I wanted to give this IELTS exam, like English. So I'm not getting a specific time to do that. So by when would the exams like of school and all ASLs would finish? Like, is it by October,
Okay.
November?
You can do one thing. You just wait. As soon as we're going to start the school, definitely if the January session is there, end of December we are having a mock. When it is May June session, June session exam, then around May 1st we'll be having the mock. So accordingly, you can arrange your or you can make your time. when to go
So
for the-
it's fine if I take an IELTS exam within October, November or something.
Yeah, you can do that if you're not writing.
IELTS exam, the English exam you mean?
Yeah, yes.
You can give it at any time. They will give you a date and that's it.
Yes, that is. After registration, they'll give you the time. Accordingly, you will do that. Okay. I wanted to talk to Orpa. As you're not studying today, inshallah tomorrow I will give you a physics one. Orpa, have you decided your mind? What are you going to study?
Same like Jareen, I guess.
Okay. No. But first of all, you remember, whatever you are taking, you remember that you are the one who will be studying and you have to score good to enlighten your future. Right? That is why you decide your mind and stick to it. You cannot back up in the middle. Right? Always,
Yes.
Yes, that is very important for us. That is why I'm telling you, you will time, think twice, and check the books. That might help you. And as I told you, you can easily go to the net and check the syllabus also. And you can also take the question so that you can get an idea. Unit 1 question, how is the pattern? Unit 2, Unit 3, all the questions you can have a look. That will help you to decide your mind as well. Okay. And Rahma dear, what are you thinking? I hope all of you will be continuing here the A level, isn't it? Is there
Yes,
anyone?
miss.
Okay, fine, good. Rahma, what is your idea, dear?
About what?
Like taking this subject in A level?
I'm not really sure about physics. I don't
Okay.
know. I don't think so. I'll take it.
Okay. So if you are
I'll
going
take
for the,
bio.
okay, are you planning to go for the medicine side? Right?
What?
Medicine, right?
What?
You were planning to study
Yes,
medicine.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine. Okay, so you'll be doing chemistry, biology, and math.
Yes.
But one thing I just need to inform you, Rama, that you know that for medicine, all over the world, they do take in your A level three subjects: physics, chemistry, and biology. Only in this country, Alpasa Medical City, the one we study, most of the students who study here, here they allow the students without physics to study medicine. Only in this country, in this institution. The rest of the world, even in Bangladesh, everywhere, they do ask for physics, chemistry, and biology. Math is not needed for medical science. If you have, it's okay. If you don't have, no problem. But you have to have physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, and you have an elder brother, right? So you can talk to your brother, your parents as well. Then decide your mind. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
good. And now, Sangeeta, what about your plans, dear?
Miss me?
Sangeeta, could you hear me? Yeah, Sangeeta, could you give me a message? What are you planning to do? Sangeeta, are you there? Okay, I think she's not there. Okay, fine. So what about that Nureen to me? Nureen, are you sticking to that plan?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Whatever you're comfortable. Okay, and what about Alia? Alia, could you tell me what are you planning? Alia, you can talk now. I
Yes,
won't mind. Say,
yes, miss.
what is your plan for A
Plan for
level?
what?
A level, definitely.
I am still thinking. I'm like, I didn't make it.
Yes, Alia, I was talking to you. Yes, Alia, finish your idea. I couldn't complete that. Alia, are you there?
Yes, miss. Yes,
Yeah,
miss.
yeah. Say, what is your plan?
I, 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 I'm still not sure, but I will be taking physics, computer, maths, chemistry.
Okay. Yeah, you can do that. Four subjects. It's okay. You can manage to do that. Inshallah.
Yes, miss. I'm still thinking about it thoroughly.
Okay, fine, no problem. As I told you that you have time, so do it. So that immediately when the school reopens, you'll be starting. And by the time, as I said, you can check on the net, the syllabus, the pattern of the question, whether you're comfortable. Then you can decide. Take the questions.
Yes.
Yeah, that will be a good idea.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, fine. Mehreen, what about you, dear? Any decision already you have taken? Mehreen,
Yeah.
what about you, dear? What are you planning?
Well,
Like,
probably physics, chemistry, and math.
okay. Okay, fine. Because we have very less number of students in this session, that is why I'm asking you. The other students, of course, they are already in the business stream, so they'll be going with the business. Among you, like I have here, like 12 to 13 students altogether. If it is registered students, if I calculate, then around 15 students are there. So among you 15, you'll be having a very small class, definitely. So the subjects you are taking, you'll get very good assistance for the teachers.
Miss,
Yes, dear.
miss, about the physics A-level books, can I just know the names?
Yeah, of course. At Excel, okay, the book we follow in our school, that is by the Pearsons.
Okay.
Pearson's book.
Miss, what
And
was the name?
Pearson. You can check on the net
Oh, the
also.
Pearson published.
Exactly. AS and A2 book, A2 Physics. AS Physics, A2 Physics by Pearson. And another book where the students do follow sometimes, that is by the Hodders publication.
Oh, okay.
That one also the students follow. You can do one thing. You can download all the syllabus regarding physics, chemistry, and biology, and the book you can check on the net. I hope they have the online version also of these books. You can check it and the question paper as well. That will be easy for you to make your mind.
Miss, what are we taking for A levels also? Is it like extended?
No, 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 no. We don't have any other things like that. It's just the Excel level. AS and HU. There's no core or extended.
This is Edexcel, not Cambridge.
No, no,
right?
no, 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 no. Cambridge A level is a one part, one pattern. This is Edexcel level. So you can check AS18 syllabus for Edexcel and you get it on the net. It's all there.
Okay.
Nihar, what about you? Okay, guys, now you just tell me one thing. Do you have any idea about your friends? Is there anyone leaving this year that not going to be in KSA?
Maybe the commerce students, some of them?
All of them? No, I
Some
don't.
of them, some of them.
Okay. Do you know the
And maybe
names?
some of... I'm
Right?
not sure.
Okay. Among the science students, is there anyone leaving KSA this year?
I may or may not.
Okay.
It's a
Not decided, right?
yes.
Undecided. Okay. Even Sarah, I'm not sure because Sarah's elder sister, last time she told me that after Sarah's IGCC, they might leave. I'm not sure because she did not inform anything. That's why I'm asking you guys that. Do you know? Is there anyone, or is there anyone who has already decided that they'll be leaving? Any idea about any student?
The thing is, everyone is not sure.
Okay. No, and due to this pandemic, the situation is getting really worse. Because so many jobless will be here, all over the world it is. And here also it will be the same. Nothing new. And we don't know how long if this situation will keep on dragging. It's really difficult, it's getting very, very difficult. Even yesterday I was checking that in the beginning they were showing more number of infections in Makkah and Medina than Riyadh. But yesterday they were showing
No,
almost
Riyadh
equal,
is more.
getting increased. Yes, that is the most worrisome problem. I'm really getting worried that even
The
though I was
worst is that the medical workers
Mhm.
can't take a break because they won't get the leave and I don't get to see my parents.
exactly that is true. Because the shortage of the people and it's kind of getting worse and so many people are getting involved in this situation. That's why they are in trouble. This is really a very, very tough situation for us. I was expecting some good days, but yesterday when I saw the numbers, infections are getting increased in the area, I got really scared. Because the social distancing, we are maintaining, right? But some situations, some places are there, so many people are living in the same room. And the most problematic news is that among those who are getting infected, among them 85% are the expats. Only 15% are the solid. So we can understand why these people are getting infected, right? Because they are living in a very close place. They are very close to each other. Social distancing is not there. So it happens. Okay, actually we can only just pray to Allah so that we can come out of this difficult situation, right? Yes. So this is really, really difficult. Okay, guys, inshallah, tomorrow, as I said, we'll be starting from 2011. Let me take the attendance today. Okay, Nizama is not there. Adina, Rahma, Sangeeta, Maisha. She hardly comes to class, right? I haven't seen Maisha in my class. Neha, Nika, Alpha, Naveen, Raleen, Amina, Fatima is not there. Nihim, Adila. Okay, so this is my attendance today. Okay, guys, inshallah, tomorrow we'll have the class. And as I told you, keep your past paper with you from 2011. We'll do the general physics class. Okay.
Yes, miss.
And if you have any other plan for the coming 2 weeks, because 2 more weeks we'll be having lesson during this Ramadan. And after the Ramadan also, again, 31st onwards we'll be having class. I don't know what will we do with that time with you because you're all done with it. Okay, let's see. Inshallah. Okay. Allah
Thank you,
Hafiz.
Miss. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you.